Welcome. Today we are going to learn about the linear equation in one variable. 8th standard maths second chapter. Before going to examples, we come to know about the equation and linear equation and variables etc. So, what is equation? Equation, a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions which contains one or more unknown quantities is known as equation. This is variable. It means unknown quantity. So equality sign is must here. So the left side of the equation is called as LHS and right side of the equation is called as RHS. Next, linear equation. An equation in which the maximum power of variable is 1 called linear equation. Standard form is like that, ax plus b. Here variable is x, its power is 1. So this is called linear equation. Here a and b are numbers. Now we will go for examples. Let us take one example. 3x plus 7 equals to minus 8. So we have to find the value of x here. So subtract 7 from both sides. Both sides 3x plus 7 subtract 7 minus 7 equals to minus 8 minus 7. So here we subtract 7 from both sides. Now 3x, this plus 7 and minus 7 will cancel. Minus 8 minus 7 will become minus 15. Now here undo the multiplication of 3. So we divide by 3 from both sides. We divide by 3. So 3x by 3 equals to minus 15 by 3. This 3 cancel. 3 ones are 3 5s are. X equals to minus 5. This is answer. So we can do the same example by transposing method also. 3x plus 7 equals to minus 8. Here we transpose plus 7 to the RHS. 3x equals to minus 8 plus 7 will transpose and become minus 7. 3x equals to minus 15. Now multiply by 3 will become transpose and will become divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. X equals to minus 5. Here we get the same answer by doing different methods. Now we will go for next example. Here 8x plus 3 equals to 27 plus 2x. First combine the like terms. 8x transpose this 2x to LHS, it will become minus 2x. 27 transpose this plus 3 to RHS, it will become minus 3. Now 8x minus 2x, 6x. 27 minus 3, 24. Now transpose this 6 to RHS, 24. Multiply by 6 will become divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 fours are. X equals to 4. Next question. 7y divided by 5 equals to y minus 4. Now we transpose divided by 5 to RHS. It will become multiply by 5. So 7y equals to multiply this 5 into y, 5y minus 5 fours are 20. Now combine the like terms. 7y transpose this 5y to LHS, that will become minus 5y equals to minus 20. 7y minus 5y will become 2y equals to minus 20. Now transpose 2 and it will become divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Y equals to minus 10. Next example, 9x plus 5 equals to, multiply this, 4x minus 4 2s are 8 plus 8. This minus 8 plus 8 will become cancel. Now combine the like terms. 9x transpose this, minus 4x equals to, plus 5 will transpose and become minus 5. 9x minus 4x, 5x equals to minus 5, x equals to minus 5 by divided by this, multiply by 5 transpose and become divided by 5, 5 ones are 5 ones are, x equals to minus 1. This is final answer. I will continue this chapter with more examples and by solving the exercises. Thank you.